everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. Okay, if you look at this particular chart of gold, what we have seen, there is a pattern forming. Okay, I'm not talking about 12 to 2020, this pattern. These are all similar pattern, and this particular pattern all are same. This is a 2-year pattern. Okay, and this is a 8-month pattern. And if you look at this particular trend, now it is sustaining at a level of 1963, which is a strong resistance. Now it is acting as a resistance. Now it is, see, when the price was below this particular level, it was acting as a resistance. Now it is acting as a support. So a bounce back can come from this particular level. Okay, now it is at a level of 1961. So what you can see looking at this particular chart, it is moving above this particular level, as you can see. So chances can be high that if it sustains this level, we can see it can move further upside, because you can see 1965, once it sustains this level, and if it goes above to a level of 1965, chance of going further upside will be there, because this is a support that is holding the price of gold to go further down. Okay, so if you look at this particular chart, a U pattern is forming, and after that there is a fall. These similarities you can see. Okay, after that it tries to go upside, form a swing, it goes upside, and it also has made a high. Okay, went above a level of 2080, and after that there is a sharp fall. Okay, in the same way there is a sharp fall. So before we move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. See, this is the level you can see. Look at this particular trend. After that there is a fall, and a swing has formed. That is where it goes upside. Okay, so I have already explained you. If you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail, and one more mail ID in the description. Now if the price sustains this particular level, what you can see, chances are high, because it is trying to go upside, but it is moving in this zone. Okay, and this is from the May of 3rd week. So chances can be high. Suppose if the price can cross a level of $1966.93, which is already being tested twice, so chances are high it can cross that particular zone, and a probability that it can touch a level of around 1968, which is being a probability that it can go further high, and it can cross a level of around 1979 also, and once it sustains above 1979, then chances of touching 1985 is there. Why? Because a level at 1982 is already being tested, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Suppose if the price sustain, it can cross a level of around $1968, and from there we can see it can go towards its next resistance, which we can see at a level of 1969. So once it crosses this 1969, we can see it can go further high, and a probability of touching a level of 1977 is there. So once the price sustain above 1977, yes, a probabilities will be high that it can cross a level of around 1982, which is already being a weak resistance. So chances are high it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of around 1993. Okay, and if the price move up that particular level of 1993, we can see it can cross that particular level and can go towards a level of $2004. Okay, and if the price move up that particular level, then we can see it can go further upside. Okay, now as I have already explained you that the market will not move sharp up and sharp fall till the time there is no big event is coming, but otherwise how it moves, it will halt for some time, then how it goes. Okay, in the same way it will halt for some time, then that is how it moves down. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, it can go further down towards a level of $1957, which is a strong support. So a bounce back can come from that particular level, but if that level didn't sustain, then it can cross a level of 1955, which is already being a weak support. So chances are very high it can move further low towards a level of 1953, that is also being a weak support. So we can see it can touch a level of around 1950. Okay, and if the price fall below 1950, then we can see it can touch a level of around 1939, down towards 1939. If the price fall below that level, we can see a level of 1937, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of 1934. If the price didn't sustain 1934, chances of touching 1931 will be there, and from there we can see a level of $1918. So you have to keep it in mind. Once the price fall below 1918, then we can see it can move further low, and a probability of going towards a level of 1914 is there, and from there we can see it can move further low. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.